Every artist gets asked the question, where do you get your ideas? The honest artist answers, I steal them. So welcome back to another episode of the Nobody's Library, where I talk about the book which I have recently completed reading. और आज इस वीडियो में we are going to discuss about the book Steal Like an Artist by Austin Kleon. अब ये बुक मेनली क्रिएटर्स एंड आर्टिस्ट के लिए है जो लोग एवरी सिंगल डे स्ट्रगल करते हैं ये सोचने में कि दे हैव टू कीप क्रिएटिंग समथिंग न्यू इन ऑर्डर टू बिकम सक्सेसफुल. बट ऑस्टिन क्लेन के हिसाब से यू डोंट हैव टू wait for an idea to click, rather you can steal someone else's pre-made art. Now there are two types of stealing like a thief and stealing like an artist. एक चोर जिस सामान को चुराता है उसे वो exactly वैसे ही बेच देता है, बट एक आर्टिस्ट जब किसी सामान को चुराता है he presents it after making some modifications in his own style, just like this video. इंटरनेट पे इस टॉपिक पे already thousands of videos है, but here I am still making a video on this topic, बस अपने thoughts and style में. And this is also stealing like an artist. Now let's get into this book and see 10 things nobody told you about being creative. The first point is the title of the book, which is Steal Like an Artist. Austin Kleon says there is nothing original. And obviously क्योंकि human civilization को already 6000 plus years हो चुके हैं और ये चीज impossible है कि अभी जो भी सारी चीजें हो रही हैं वो पहले कभी ना हुई हो. ऐसा भी नहीं है कि original कुछ create ही नहीं हुआ. From electricity to AI, everything was once created originally. But उसके बाद every single product was either a copy or was created taking inspiration from them. Everything that needs to be said has already been said, but since no one was listening, everything must be said again. Another good example is the phone we use. एक phone का main purpose है लोगों को wirelessly connect करना. The idea was once original, but now there are hundreds of companies selling the same idea. Samsung, Apple, Vivo, Oppo, Motorola and so on. सब के सब एक ही idea पे काम कर रहे हैं, but the difference is they are selling it after making their own modifications. Apple और Samsung दोनों में ही तुम कॉल कर सकते हो, गेमिंग कर सकते हो, कैमरे से फोटोज एंड वीडियोस ले सकते हो, but the design and the UI of their phone differentiates them. And this is called stealing an idea but like an artist. It's better to take what does not belong to you than to let it lie around neglected. The second point is don't wait until you know who you are to get started. Waiting is a limitless phenomenon. There is no end to it. अगर तुम ये सोचने में टाइम वेस्ट करोगे कि मुझे मेरे इस दुनिया में पैदा होने का पर्पस पता होना चाहिए तब मैं जाके उस चीज पे काम करना शुरू करूंगा, ट्रस्ट मी यू विल नेवर बी एबल टू फाइंड इट. जस्ट कीप डूइंग थिंग्स यू लव. एक में फेल होगे, दूसरे में भी फेल होगे, बट तीसरे में जाके तुम्हें समझ आ जाएगा कि दिस इज एग्जैक्टली व्हाट आई वांटेड टू डू. जस्ट लाइक मेरा ये यूट्यूब चैनल, आई स्टार्टेड दिस चैनल बस यूं ही, बट देन यू गाइज स्टार्टेड लविंग माई वीडियोस और तब मुझे रियलाइज हुआ कि यस आई कैन डू इट. अगर मैं अपना पहला वीडियो अपलोड ही नहीं करता ये सोच के कि यूट्यूब तो मुझे करना ही नहीं है तो शायद आज ये वीडियो भी अपलोड नहीं होता. इनफैक्ट मुझे ये तक नहीं पता कि आगे इस चैनल का क्या होगा, बट आई एम डूइंग इट एंड शोइंग अप एवरी सिंगल डे बिकॉज आई फाउंड समथिंग दैट आई रियली लव टू डू. इफ आई हैड वेटेड टू नो हु आई वाज और व्हाट आई वाज अबाउट बिफोर आई स्टार्टेड बीइंग क्रिएटिव, वेल आई वुड स्टिल बी सिटिंग अराउंड ट्राइंग टू फिगर माई सेल्फ आउट इंस्टेड ऑफ मेकिंग थिंग्स. इन माई एक्सपीरियंस इट्स इन द एक्ट ऑफ मेकिंग थिंग्स एंड डूइंग आवर वर्क दैट वी फिगर आउट हु वी आर. ऑल्सो इनिशियली अगर तुम्हें समझ नहीं आ रहा है कि व्हाट टू डू, यू कैन स्टार्ट एनालाइजिंग द वर्क ऑफ योर फेवरेट आर्टिस्ट, एक्टर और इन्फ्लुएंसर, जिससे शायद तुम्हें उनके किसी काम में इंटरेस्ट आ जाए. और अगर आ जाए यू डोंट हैव टू स्टार्ट एवरीथिंग बाय योर ओन, जस्ट स्टार्ट कॉपिंग देम. फर्स्ट यू हैव टू फिगर आउट हु टू कॉपी, सेकंड यू हैव टू फिगर आउट व्हाट टू कॉपी. डोंट जस्ट स्टील द स्टाइल, स्टील द थिंकिंग बिहाइंड द स्टाइल. यू डोंट वांट टू लुक लाइक योर हीरोज, you want to see like your heroes. The third point is write the book you want to read. If you are finding something but वो तुम्हारे expectations के साथ match नहीं हो रहा है, make it by yourself. Just like this video. मैं इस book के ऊपर YouTube पे कुछ reviews खोज रहा था जो मुझे मिले भी, but I also wanted some quotes and lessons directly from the book जो मुझे उन videos में नहीं मिले. I am making this video for people who are searching for a video like this and also for my future self. Draw the art you want to see, start the business you want to run, play the music you want to hear, write the book you want to read, build the product you want to use, do the work you want to see done. The fourth point is use your hands, like not in that manner. Austin Kleon says that carry a notepad and a pen wherever you go. चीजों को हर बार डिजिटली करने से इट्स वेरी इजी टू हिट डिलीट देन टू पोस्ट. द कंप्यूटर इज रियली गुड फॉर एडिटिंग योर आइडियाज. इट्स रियली गुड फॉर गेटिंग योर आइडियाज ready for publishing out into the world, but it's not really good for generating ideas. There are too many opportunities to hit the delete key. The computer brings out the uptight perfectionist in us. We start editing ideas before we have them. Write down every idea first on a piece of paper, complete the planning there, and then organize and start the execution process digitally. और using a notepad पे भी मैंने एक वीडियो बना के रखा है, because I am also into using a notepad every single day. The fifth point is side project and hobbies are important. Focus on one thing at a time. ये हम सब ने किसी ना किसी से सुना ही है. But Austin Kleon says keep doing different things because it's always the side projects that take off. जैसे मैंने freelancing का काम करते करते ये YouTube चैनल बनाया and also I'm working on a startup with my friend. If you have 2 or 3 real passions, don't feel like you have to pick and choose between them. Don't discard. Keep all your passions in your life. Also, apart from side projects, you should also have some hobbies like music, art, fitness या फिर कुछ भी. A hobby is something creative that's just for you. You don't try to make money or get famous of it. You just do it because it makes you happy. The sixth point is do good work and share it with people. Now, after taking inspiration and creating something, share it with people around you. कुछ लोगों को तुम्हारा काम पसंद नहीं आएगा, but once you find like-minded people, it will give a boost to your work, side project or hobby. साथ ही don't only share the work with them, also share how you did it. That is the process. When you share the process with like-minded people, you learn more. People love it when you give your secrets away. And sometimes, if you are smart about it, they'll reward you by buying the things you are selling. The seventh point is geography is no longer our master. If you are into creative work like writing, content creation, art, music, etc. और तुम्हें लगता है कि you are not at the right place to build your community, just create and post your work on social media जहाँ पे you can connect with like-minded people irrespective of the country you are in. Also, sometimes you don't like working at the place you are in and किसी भी financial या personal problem की वजह से you cannot move out. Build your own world around you. अपने room को उन सारी चीजों से भर दो जिन्हें देख के तुम्हें काम करने के लिए motivation मिलता है. Just tape the things on the wall that inspires you. But something which is very important once in a life is to move out from your house or your comfort zone. Your brain gets too comfortable in your everyday surroundings. You need to make it uncomfortable. You need to spend some time on another land among people that do things differently than you. Travel makes the world look new, and when the world looks new, our brains work harder. The eighth point is be nice. Once you start posting your work on the internet, you will get criticized no matter तुम कितना ही hard work क्यों ना करो. But all you need to do is to just ignore them. People will misinterpret you and what you do. So get comfortable with being misunderstood, disparaged or ignored. The trick is to be busy doing your work to care. Rather than wasting your energy on them, try connecting with people who are interested in your work or are better than you. Find the most talented person in the room, and if it's not you, go stand next to him. Hang out with him. Try to be helpful. If you ever find that you are the most talented person in the room, you need to find another room. The ninth point is be boring. There are few people who don't party, don't go out frequently, don't go clubbing, and normal people call them boring. Be boring because you will be alive for a while. क्यों ना अपना 100% effort and potential अपने काम में डाला जाए to leave an impact on the world, or at least उन लोगों के life में जो actually में तुम्हारे काम को admire करते हैं. It takes a lot of energy to be creative. You don't have that energy if you waste it on other stuff. Also, if you want to pursue your dream, side business, hobby या कुछ भी, you don't have to quit your job. At least तब तक जब तक तुम अपने उस dream या side business से पैसा नहीं earn कर रहे. And now the last point of the book is creativity is subtraction. After stealing so many ideas from different people, now it's time to choose what to leave out. तुम्हें identify करना होगा कि अपने सारे inspiration में से वो कौन सा एक चीज है जिस पे तुम completely concentrate कर सकते हो. Like initially जिस पे तुम काम करना शुरू कर सकते हो बिना ज्यादा friction के. So this was all about the book Steal Like an Artist. I tried my best to cover the entire book in this video. इसीलिए इस book पे तुम्हारा क्या thoughts है? Also after Stealing Like an Artist, वो कौन सा आइडिया है जिस पे तुम 2025 में काम करना शुरू करने वाले हो? Let me know in the comments. So that's all for today's video. See you in the next one. Bye.